Okay, here is this wall unit. Drawers, doors, these would be open. Possibly make these glass doors or open. This would be an open section with wire, similar to what you did in the pantry. These guys could be walnut on the interior, live edge for these shelves, walnut, walnut, and live edge across this. The exterior of these cabinets is painted white. This is all painted white, couple doors, and this is all painted white. These are all drawers. As far as sizing, if this is a representation of the TV, I've got this wall at 140 inches. These are 24 deep. I don't know how deep that wall is. I know we've got the fireplace over here. Inside width, so we need to figure that out for the baskets. This one has a panel on it, that's why it's a little shorter. But we need to adjust these so those baskets fit. I would probably, we need to take that divider out of this one if that's going to be storage in there. But this is our layout. All right, let me know what you think of that.